Hello everyone. Now, after the first lecture of light about the luminous, non-luminous, and visible and non-visible objects, I am going to more elaboration about the topic transparent, translucent, and opaque objects, materials. Using some words, transparent, translucent, opaque vocabulary words, and going through the some quiz explanation test about your evaluation about the transparent, translucent and opaque materials in order to check about the first lecture. Okay, now transparent materials. Have you seen these pictures? Somehow you understand what are transparent materials. Now, when light passes straight through a material, that material is transparent. I am repeating, when light passes straight through a material, that material is transparent. Transparent materials you can see completely through. Okay? Now, transparent objects allow you to see clearly through them. Some examples are window glass, simple juice glasses, drinking water glass made up of glass, some sunglasses, and some other spectacles. These are all the examples of transparent objects. Why is it important for these objects to be transparent? I am repeating, why is it important for these objects to be transparent? Think it and answer the question and share it with your teacher. I am sharing this type of question during your online test. Okay. Now, next, translucent material. These are some examples of translucent materials and so many others around you. Translucent materials scatter light as it passes through them. Scatter light as it passes through them. Means you cannot see through the translucent material clearly, but light will pass through them. There are different things. You cannot see through the translucent material, but light can pass through the translucent material. It means you will see the blur image or shadow of the object across the translucent material. Okay? Translucent object only let some light through them. They will not allow all the light passing through them like the transparent material, but they allow only a small amount of light through them. You cannot see clearly through a translucent object. Some examples of translucent objects are, okay, shaded glass, different bags of packings, and other things. Lampshade, frosted glass, sheer fabrics, notebook paper. Now, thinking time. Why don't we have to see through these objects? What is the need? Why don't we have to see through these objects? Okay, try to understand the question first and then write your complete answer with reason and then share with your teacher. Now, third is opaque materials like this. These are the opaque materials. Opaque materials do not allow any light to pass through them. All the light that comes into contact with an opaque material is either reflected or absorbed. In both the cases, they produce shadow of the object. Okay? Opaque materials make a show when you shine light on them or shadow. Okay? Now, opaque objects do not let any light through them. You cannot see through them. Some examples of opaque objects are construction paper. trees, animal, door, wall, like this, bricks, shoes, door, teddy bear, and simple fruit and vegetables. Now, think it. Why is it important that these objects are opaque? Why is it important that these objects are opaque? Okay. After getting answers, share all the answers with your teacher and discuss it thoroughly according to your understanding with reasoning. Okay. Now, questions time. You have to write down the names of 5 transparent objects and names of 5 translucent objects and 5 opaque objects around you according to your understanding. Okay? Please do not use transparent translucent objects names shown in the this video lecture. Okay? Now, after that you have to design a poster in groups or in individual the objects around you and classify them into transparent, translucent and opaque objects and make a poster to show what you have found and why you are saying it's transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay? You will get different ideas from the net, online resources. What will light do in the following 3 situations? Okay? Let's see the example. I have get 3 glasses, blue glass, green glass and transparent or white glass, we will say easily. What will light do in the following 3 situations? Write your answer in your notebook and discuss with your teacher. Blue glass is transparent or translucent? No, it is not a translucent, it is not a transparent, it is opaque material. Blue glass is made up of opaque material and it will block all the light and absorb or reflect it and do not pass the light. Whereas green glass is made up of some translucent material which will allow only light can pass through this glass but we cannot see through this glass easily. And at last, the white or transparent glass is, as you named it, transparent glass made up of transparent material, and you will see the color of liquid inside this glass easily. Okay? Now, as we already studied the property of light as light travels in a straight line, but when it hit an object, it can do 1 or 3 things. Okay? First, it strikes and bounce back means it is reflected like this mirror and other reflecting surfaces. And second, but when it hit an object it can be transmitted, okay, like this, less intensity of sunlight coming through the window, pass through it. Transmitted means pass through it. Okay, and at last, how light works? It absorbs on the surface of the incident surface, like sunlight absorb on the roads and make it warm. Okay, but when it hits on an object it can be absorbed, reflected, transmitted and absorbed. These are 3 phenomena which light will behave with the objects when it strikes on the surface of the object. Absorption. Light from the bulb, hand and shadow. If the object is opaque, it will absorb on it and on the sides of the fingers or the hand, it will go through straight and make the shadow of the object. It is a Absorption is the disappearance of the electromagnetic waves into the medium. Absorption can cast or produce shadows or three ways that light behaves: absorption, transmission, one medium to another medium transmitted, and reflection, bounce back on the same medium, return back. Okay? Light waves interact with the materials. Light can be reflected, transmitted, or absorbed, but why? Why it is reflected, why it is transmitted, or why it is absorbed? Think it and write the answer. Now, it depends on whether the object is transparent, translucent, or opaque, sorry. If it is transparent, what will happen? Transparent material, it is transmitted. Okay. And for translucent material, what will happen? Confused? Translucent or opaque? Okay. You will get the answer about the opaque, it is reflected back. Then what about the translucent object? Now, see the next example. In this example, light is transmitted. Incident light, coming light is called the incident light. Incident light. It is transmitted light. After transmission, this is called a transparent object. It means incident light completely transmitted from the transparent object. Second example. Incident light is transmitted the object which is translucent but in somehow in different angles. This is called translucent object. It is also transmitted, but when incident light is absorbed or changed through the opaque objects. Simple. Translucent objects, lenses and other glass windows, plastic wrapping above the pencil. Translucent object, lampshades and wax paper on the pencil. You will just see the lightest color of the pencil. And in the opaque object, you will not see anything like metal, keys and other things, aluminum foil. You will not see across the aluminum foil. Okay, you will get transmitted, reflected and absorption. Now, let's review. Transparent objects क्या होते हैं? What are transparent objects? What are translucent objects? And what are opaque objects? Transparent objects are those which allow all the light pass through them. Translucent objects allows only light pass through them, but we cannot see through the translucent objects, or sometimes not clearly. But in opaque objects, we will not see or light cannot pass through these objects like football and other things. Now, it's quiz time. This flask, this. I am saying about the flask. I am not saying about the liquid. Okay? I am saying about the flask. What is this? This flask is made up of which material? Transparent material, translucent material, or opaque material? Okay? Think it. If you see the color of the solution inside of the flask, inside of the container, then it is called transparent material. Okay? Simplest. Now, the lampshade. This is lampshade at the top. Okay? You will see the lampshade. Now, lampshade is made up of transparent, translucent and opaque objects. As we are seeing that the bulb light is not clearly coming out of the lampshade on the top. Okay, it is coming from the down. Okay, then it is saying translucent material. Okay, next, the vase. This is vase is made up of what? Transparent, translucent or opaque material. If you glow a bulb inside of this vase, what will happen? It will clearly visible to us like a transparent material. It is just we see the light or glowing of the vase like a translucent material, or it is behaving like a nothing and no change is observed like a opaque material. The answer is opaque material. Vase is made up of opaque material. Okay. If you have a confusion, discuss with your teacher. Okay. Now next, aluminum foil, made up of transparent, translucent and opaque material. It is simplest. Think it, write the correct answer, and then I am saying the right answer. It is made up of opaque material. Saran wrapping is, if you don't know about saran wrapping and some wrapping things, then you will observe it through the internet and you will get the real picture of saran wrapping. It is made up of opaque, translucent and transparent. What is made up of? Okay, then write the answer. Wax paper, as I have already discussed in so many times in previous video and now in this video in lecture 1 and lecture 2. What is made up of wax paper? Transparent, translucent and opaque. Write it in your copies. These bulbs, what are they? Transparent, translucent and opaque. Now you will thoroughly watch the bulbs one by one and you will observe it. You will not able to see through the bulb filament, bulb wire inside the bulb. So these materials are called transparent materials. And rock, it is obviously, what is the answer? Opaque material. Water in the fish tank. I am saying the water. I am not saying the fish, the leaves, plants, or aquarium, fishes, rocks. I am saying the water in the fish tank. What is it? Transparent, translucent, or opaque? Okay. Next, tissues, tissue papers. What are they? Transparent, translucent, or opaque? Okay. Have you write all the answers? Your copy paper, book paper, magazine papers. What are they? Transparent, translucent, or opaque? If you have any confusions, then please write these questions in your copy and share with your teacher during the online class and with reasoning and clear all your confusions. Okay, thank you.